Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then let's find the apps. Now let's tap on a special app access, and here we have to find install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course we can change it. Simply tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.